We'll start by opening our consultant salaries data in Enterprise Guide. We'll drag the consultant salaries onto our process flow, hit finish, and we'll load up our data. So our data are a bunch of consultants. See how many? 130 consultants' salaries from their first and second years, their gender, and their raise as a percentage of their first year salary. First we'll do a t-test to determine if their raises are on average 8% per year. So we'll start with a one sample t-test. We'll tell Enterprise what data to include. We're going to be looking at our raise data. And we want to see whether this is on average 8. So under the analysis tab here, we'll change our null hypothesis to 8. Let's hit run, see what we get. Enterprise Guide has used 130 observations, which is good. We've got a mean raise, an average raise of 7.59%. So on average, we're getting raises of 7.59%. Is that significantly lower than the 8% that was claimed? We can look down at our t-statistic here. We get a t-statistic of minus 3.03. Is that big enough to refute the claim that the average raise is 8%? In fact, yes it is. We can look at our p-value here. Our p-value is 0.003 or 0.3%. This is much smaller than our 5% threshold. So we conclude that indeed the raises are on average lower than the 8% that was claimed.